A simple pendulum is placed at a place where its distance from the earth surface is equals to the radius of the earth. If the length of the string is 4 meter, then time period of small oscillations will be. In this question, we have to find out the time period of oscillations. Time period formula, T is equals to 2 pi square root of L by G, where L is the length of the string and G is the acceleration due to gravity at the given place. At given place, GH is equals to G by 1 plus H by R whole square. This is the formula to calculate the acceleration due to gravity at the given height. G by 1 plus given height is equals to radius of the earth. R by R get cancelled. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 whole square equals to 4. G by 4. Time period is equals to 2 pi square root of given length is 4 meters. 4 by G by 4. T is equals to 2 pi square root of 16 by G. We know G value approximately equals to pi square. So substitute pi square here. Then time period is equals to 2 pi into 4 by pi. Pi get cancelled. Time period is equals to 8 seconds.